All right. Not too good on the melted wires. Hey friends, Harry here. Quick note on the video. I just want to tell you that one, I appreciate you tuning in. I hope you find it helpful and maybe even entertaining. That was my purpose. I'm working on a 1990's C8500 in this video, and the customer complaint was that the fuses for the stop lights and the signal lights kept blowing. And they, just having to get done and get by, kept replacing them, and eventually they smelled the smoke and saw the melted wires, called me. When I got there, I had gone over this thing, you know, pretty good. Wiggled, checked all the wires, had a fuse saver installed, which is a little temporary circuit breaker that, will trip when it finds a short. It's a mechanic tool that I use. Anyway, never found a problem, so the only thing we could do at that point was go ahead and repair the damage. So put the new turn signal switch in, as you saw. A few days later, I got a call from the customer saying that the fuses had blown again. So got there as soon as I could and went over this thing. Took several hours going over it. Finally found the problem on this particular truck, which is a diesel Caterpillar 3116. The lighting wiring harness passes through the engine compartment, actually goes up over top of the engine, and at the right front corner at the cylinder head had just over time had rubbed through the conduit, rubbed right down into the wiring, and was causing the short. You know, hit a bump just right, or just twist the truck just right, and it would cause the problem. It would short out to ground on the cylinder head. So anyway, wanted to tell you that. Hope it helps. Maybe you're having the same problem. Check up there in front of the engine. Anyway, if you got any value out of this video, smash the like button for us. Give us a thumbs up. That helps us out. Tells YouTube we got good content. And if you want to see more just like it, make sure you click the subscribe button and the bell next to it. Thank you, friends. Grace and peace to you.